welcome back to my channel. I just want to share with you guys on how to organize our this and that, and what are the things that we should do to have a very neat and orderly room. Ayan, these are very simple things but sometimes nakakalimutan po natin gawin, 'di ba? So instead of ayan, as you know guys, our room is our haven. And the second reason is that it feels good when you enter your room and it's well organized, maliwalas, malinis, spick and span, alright? So, and the third reason why we should keep our room in order or neat and clean is that our children can learn from us at a very young age. They can follow what we're doing and they can develop this habit, and it will be easier for all the people in the family. In addition, it can also be a great help to each and everyone because they can do it by themselves to organize and arrange their things in their rooms. So the first thing that we should do, guys, to remember is that you should go out shopping and buy plastic baskets like this one. If you have various sizes of baskets, boxes, this will help you a lot. You know, you can easily segregate your things. So kagaya nito, yeah, you can put all your stuff here, yung mga hindi mo na masyadong ginagamit, and other stuffs here. Yan. And if you have a bookshelf, it would be very good for your books, especially for the teachers. Yan. You can easily get your books there. And things, small things. I have here a box where I put some stuff. Yes, yan, yung mga hindi na masyadong nagagamit. So it's good to invest on boxes. Alright, so another thing guys, you can also buy a canister for your pens. For your pens, this one is your canister. Good tray also, plastic tray for all stuff like charger, phones, and here some other things. Yeah. Napakakalat po ng ating vanity table. Yan guys, hindi naman masyadong mahal ang mga plastic baskets. Yeah, so in your plastic baskets, you can segregate, yes, big things from small things. Yeah. So dito mga lipsticks, hindi masyadong mataas. And this is your, yes, yeah, you can put all your perfumes there, yan, lotions and other stuff. So depende na po sa inyo. You can segregate also your brushes, jewelries. Meron ka lalagyan ng jewelries mo. Yan, inside. And here, another box for, yeah, you can buy all these things everywhere in the department store. Yan, so and guys, wag po tayong mamumblema if we don't have, you know, kasi we are budgeting, especially for parents like us, we need to budget for the schooling of our children. So don't worry guys, if you have boxes at home na hindi nyo na nagagamit, all you need to do is cover them with, you can cover them with beautiful wrapping paper like this one. Actually, this is an improvised box from a chocolate box, and ginawa ko po siya, ang ginawa ko po ay I covered it with, how do you call that, stick it there, and then this is the result. Yeah, it's very useful. Okay, yeah, and so you don't need to worry. You can use a shoe box. Yeah, have extra money, you can buy boxes also. In here in Vietnam, they are selling this kind of boxes like this. Yes. So you can also mount a hook for clothes like this. You can use it for your clothes or for your bags. There. And it would be great to see all your things organized and your room spick and span. So I think, guys, it's very important for us to segregate or to organize our things here and there. Yeah. Number one reason is that it's easy for us to find our things. And second is it saves our time looking for those things. Yeah, we don't need to keep on asking other people, oh, where is my thing? Where is this? Where is that? Last but not the least, it gives us joy when we see our room very organized, neat, clean, right? All right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you have some comments and suggestions, feel free to write down your comments in comment box below, and we will be doing more videos